Hi everyone, welcome to Anmol Power BI Corner, your go-to channel for Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. In this video, we are going to discuss about is it really worth doing a master's in to getting into the field of data analytics, or is it necessary to do a master's? So we will discuss this in detail, and I will share my experience too, as I have also completed my master's in data science and analytics. So my first experience was whenever you look for any internship opportunity or any job opportunity, if it is a big four company or any other large organization, then in the job description itself you can find that they are looking for a master's candidate because there is so many buzz related to that college degrees are now worthless. Students don't get to learn so much from it. But the harsh reality in India is still that companies are looking for candidates who have completed their masters. There are still a limit, or we can say a criteria which defines that we need such degree to get you hire in this role. So first thing is, if the JD itself include that we need the master's candidate or we need any particular degree, then you have to go for it. So many people will say that now it is not required, we don't get to learn so much. But what will you do if the company itself set a criteria that we need that candidate, we need this degree in a candidate? So first thing is this, that right now in India, companies are looking for the candidates who are masters. Now, the second thing is, let's say you have completed your bachelor's and you are applying for a job role. So you are not the only candidate who will apply for it. There are so many candidates and it will be in thousands. So let's say you are one of the candidate and there is another candidate in front of you. So if you have completed bachelor's and he has completed the same bachelor's but as well as master's, so company will definitely go for him if he has the same skill set. So first thing you have to keep in mind that if you are going just on the basis of your bachelor's, you have to profound in your skill, whatever you are entering in your resume, you have to be the expert for it. And then you have to be build a solid portfolio so that you can demonstrate your skill that even though someone is has done the masters, still you are better than him. Now, the other thing is there are so many type of masters program available. If you simply go on Google, some are full-time masters program like MSc, MBA, MTech. But there are also so many diploma, or you can say as I've came across few programs which are offering the master degree in collaboration with some top tier colleges, and there are so many online programs are also available. I'm not saying that everything is not good, but whatever experience I have with my connections who have shared their experience, so most of them are not getting a good job even after doing those online program. So what I will suggest is, if you are going for a master's program, then definitely go for a full-time master program, or and it will be better if you are doing it from a popular university or any university who are providing a full-time degree. So this is one of the case. This will help you to get a full-time job. And if you have any other suggestions, then definitely drop it into the comment. If you have any other point of view, then I will be happy to know. So drop your comments in the comment box and let's connect on LinkedIn too. I will share the link in the description. Thank you for watching.